Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the expandable rod on your DJI Osmo Mobile 8. If you would like to use the expandable rod, all you need to do is hold right here and expand it. As you can see, it expands to any level that you'd like. Because it holds shape, so if you expand it just a little bit, it'll be fine, and if you do it a little bit more, it'll also be fine. So as you can see right here, now it is quite expanded, and that's not all. You can also slightly rotate, slightly tilt this hinge, so you can tilt it a little bit like so, for example, forward. So now it works as a selfie stick right now, and I can also tilt it the other way around, so you can film whatever you'd like, to be honest. And yeah, if you'd like to fold it back on, just fold it. And that's it, pretty easy. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.